the store today, hanging out. We're not at the garage because we have a bit of an announcement to make. Some things are changing up around here, and it's all for the better. We have decided that we're going to start a secondary channel, and what it's going to focus on is not niche content like automotive and all that sort of stuff. It's going to be more of a lifestyle thing, and we figured it'll appeal to a lot more people. We're going to have a bunch of different segments. The best way to find out all the details is to go over and check it out. We've launched it today. It's called The Handsome Bandits. Tim can take complete credit for that name. I'm going to give him a moment to kind of explain his side of things too.
I'm having a moment. I don't know what else to say. Mark pretty well covered it. So this is going to be about eating cake and enjoying stories.
Among other things.
Yeah. We will get back to our regularly scheduled content on this channel next week. And this has nothing to do with us not being able to get a video ready for this week. Nothing at all.
We kind of ran behind a little bit on content. Some of the projects are taking a little bit longer than we anticipated. So, one of the things I think fans of the store will enjoy is we've got a little bit of a throwback for everyone. One of the ideas in terms of starting this new channel was someone questioning us about Cake Thursday. I don't know how many people remember that or not. It is going a little while back, and it was more of like a Facebook and Instagram thing, but now you get to see it live in action. That's right, Cake Thursday in video form is going to be showing up along with many other things. So, if you want to see us eat that cake this week, make sure to tune into the other channel and have a watch, and please subscribe and like that one as well. And as Tim said, we will be returning you to regularly scheduled programming next week, and I will leave you with this image.
Food always tastes better when it's on a stick.
So thanks for watching, folks. Thanks for the support all the way along over the last 2.5 years. It's actually been that long, and I hope that you've enjoyed what we've put out and what we're going to continue to put out. So again, Handsome Bandits, HANDSUM BANDITS. I have no idea why I spelled it that way. I think it was because, I don't know, I was probably just trying to be cool. So yes, check it out. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for everything, and have a good one.
May have bit off more than I can chew with this cake. It's frozen.